Okay.
Okay, here we
Why is
go.
it so dirty?
Sorry.
Gotta clean your.
Backpack.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Okay, here comes the next one. You guys ready?
It's not.
Everybody.
What the heck?
Christina's watching me.
Poor COVID kids have a roller coaster.
Okay, on this one, a
Okay.
little bit different. Just a little tiny bit different. We're going to do the same setup.
We can put.
Factors of -30 that make -7. Okay? Everything's, look, one's going to be plus because I need them to be a -30, and the only way I can get to a see, I'm saying this for the COVID kids because I messed up. The only way that I can get to a -30 if I'm multiplying is for one to be plus and one to be minus. And remember, if we're going to combine those, a plus and a minus is like subtracting. So two numbers that multiply to be 30, but when you subtract them, make 7. And just like we talked about, there really is no way to figure those out, but kind of like go through them in your head. But there's a really easy pair that makes 30. What's the easiest pair that makes 30? 10 and 3, right? But here's where we want to be careful. I want it to be -7. So it can't be 10, take away 3. That would give me +7. Take away 10.
Doesn't annoy me.
Does that make sense, right? That's the only thing that's different. You gotta watch the positive and negatives. They're a little bit tricky. So here's what I'm gonna get.
That was near
X
enough.
plus 3, X minus 10. Yeah? Okay, here's one for you to try. You too, COVID kids. Try this one.
Yeah, COVID kids.
Give it a try.
COVID kids, we have a crippled situation.
Oh yeah, look at guys, what
Everybody
happened?
try this one, please.
I
died.
I ripped my what is it called?
Lily.
Ligament.
I need
Ligament.
to- I need- oh, that's terrible. I didn't know it was that bad. Wait, just.
Do you want to hear how
Cole,
pathetic
shut up.
the
No.
reasons?
I need you to do this.
Okay.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Shh.
He's good at mental math.
Wait, what do you
You
say?
came from somewhere, Cole, and I can send you back.
Mental math.
Nah, you really can't.
No, I really can.
You can say this is too easy for you.
And you're disruptive. See, I have to add the D word there.
Actually,
I'm not
it's
really gonna do
disruptive.
31.
What makes 63?
That's
7, 9.
2021?
7
not
and
with
9.
that. That's right. I'd actually have to do
7
it.
and 9.
You know, it's a little bit harder than me just walking into my counter.
That's
Can
right.
I not the auditor feature? Oh yeah, sure.
I have to do
See?
some work.
Because then when you do this, it gets -63.
Negative 9, positive 7.
Okay, how are we doing? Two numbers, multiply to be
She's trying to
63.
tell me I'm
For me,
wrong.
that's a pretty easy set because it's the only one I know, 7 and 9. And if I subtract them, they make 2. That's working pretty good with me. So I'll be honest, this is how I do it. I write my 9 and my 7 down, and then I kind of think to myself, oh, it's got to be a -2. So I put the negative by the bigger number. That's how I do it in real life, like if I was doing it. Because I need it to be a -2.
63. 21 and 30.
What does this mean?
Ethan's into that.
No.
Yeah.
I want it to be
That's right,
a
Ethan.
negative
Oh,
two.
That's what I thought.
I
That's what I
forgot
thought.
to put the
That's
negative.
what I thought, Ethan.
Mr. and Tina, do you want to know now?
No, I'm gonna, when we're done taping. I do want to know, but not yet. Okay, last two, best two. I'm gonna show you the last one. And this is from our girl Amanda, who's been wanting this. She's been all day thinking, please, Mrs. Tarantino, please do this problem. Yeah, here's what it is.
And I got it.
How do I know that I need to vacuum? Here's how. I don't like a number in the front. We've been doing this last 2 days with just an x squared in the front. So today, when we run into a number in the front, let's see if we can get rid of it. That's the big clue, right? Is to feel like, but no, I like when there's no number in the front. So I'm saying to you, you have a tool, let's see if we can use that tool. Tomorrow, we're gonna talk about what has to happen when I don't have that tool. But for today, I do have the tool. And the tool says, grab your little vacuum, vacuum out a 2. Oh, that looks so cool.
Whoa.
Right? Because I can, right? So let's see what happens when I do that. I take out the 2 because he's what's bugging me.
What the fuck?
And I'm left with 2 goes into 2. So it's going to be x squared. 2 goes into -8. negative 24, negative 12. Now that's a totally doable problem and much smaller, right? So I can do that. That's why we use that vacuum step first, is to take problems that I couldn't do or I wouldn't want to do and makes them easier. So now I'm good to go. Factors of negative 12, one will be positive, one will be negative, that make negative 4.
Then when you're
And I
right,
think, and I think, and I think.
What happens to the x squared?
He stays because I divided by 2.
Negative.
It's really like 1x squared, but I can leave the 1x.
Four.
Good question. Factors of 12 that subtract to be 4 are going to be 6 and 2, but I got to be careful. I almost wrote my 6 right there. No, my 6 has to be negative. Here's the deal. You know, that will tell you.
Brain doesn't work.
So here's, I'm ready to finish. So my final answer is x plus 2, x minus 6, but
you gotta put the 2.
I gotta put the 2. I'm not allowed
I
just to
agree.
ignore it. Because he's still part of the problem.
You
Wait,
are
I-
just want to be right.
That's
I
right, we'll
agree.
just be wrong.
How are you
Okay,
doing, COVID kids?
last one, best one.
Better than
If
you.
you can do this,
Probably.
I'm not lying. You've done everything we've done in the last week. This is it. Oh, girl. I don't like the 3, and I don't like
you
an
take
8 to the
medicine?
3rd.
You have to
So
take, like,
get those
10
vacuums
relief.
out,
Bro, this one's
take
low.
out some stuff
You
before
just
you
covered the
start.
problem.
Get it rolling, take out a 3 and an A, and then you're good to go. Give it a try. Everyone's trying. Dan, there he is. Everyone's doing it. See lots of calculator fingers working. That makes me happy. No life. You can do this. You totally, you have everything that we've done.
63 divided by 3.
You have literally something that we took almost 2 weeks to do in Algebra 1, a week and a half.
A. Boom.
38.
Hey, yeah, 3 goes into 63, 21 times.
There's no negative.
No negatives on this one. I thought the extra A was scary enough.
Yes, I did.
Nice.
This is why you're dumb.
10 and 20.
Where'd your sweater go?
So it's what? 10 minus.
Do you know what that is? Yeah.
That's why he took it off.
A plus 10, A minus 1.
I don't think it's any
No
minuses.
hairstyles.
How did you do that?
I don't blame you, Jason.
They're all pluses. Here's what I'm
Hairstyles
doing.
and Kevin Hart best friend.
Well, I know how you
No,
did it,
no.
but I don't know how you got the 10
Yeah,
and
no,
21.
no,
Ooh,
Maybe they're not.
3 goes into 30. How many times?
Oh, okay, now I get it.
If I kept
Never
going
mind.
with it, one of you
Oh,
guys
my
would believe me.
Oh, I
just
got
because of
it.
how stupid it is.
Well, I haven't finished it yet.
Is Matt supposed to
I
be
know,
that?
I know.
Or is he just guessing?
What?
Is he supposed to be that or is he just guessing?
Okay, but you have to do the other part. Keep going. Yeah.
Supposed to be.
You kind of
You
look
just
like
look
a
clean. You just look clean.
3 goes into 63 21 times.
So,
I like the way
21,
that she was
7,
checking me.
3.
She was checking me. I appreciate that. Keeping me
You look like a
honest.
golf dad.
I am a golf
What?
dad.
Yeah.
They're both going to be plus, yes, because they're going to match and they're going to be plus. You
My
got it.
father
Nice,
never
nice.
looked
Oh,
at
and
this.
you have the
Bronco
10
Baseball
inches.
Academy shirt
God.
on neon
You got the
red.
dad shoes?
Yeah. That's
Okay,
my
COVID,
outfit.
Oh
right,
my
COVID
God.
tapers. Okay, here we go.
Bozos.
You show them
Factors.
your outfit after the COVID kids.
Thank you. Factors of 21, numbers that multiply be 21, but when I add them up, make 10. It's a pretty easy set, because there's not that much that makes 21,
Wait,
except 1 and 21.
Music
And,
again.
yes,
I want to
how
play
do you
music
know
afterwards.
which one like goes on top of the bigger number?
this is always the multiply, and this is always the add. And here's why, you know when we claw,
Actually, for
to
having
get
our
the
phone,
middle
I'd
guy,
say we're
we
pretty
add them together.
responsible.
That's
Right?
why.
Because we don't like take too many photos. We don't take too many videos.
So
we
I
don't
always,
text
you
people.
know, if
Yeah,
you can
exactly.
put
wanna
it
show
wherever
my
you want.
shoes in
Here's what you need to know.
See, if it was
They will
DJ.
always, the
Yeah,
two
I'll
numbers
hold
have
that
to
for
be
you. You
multiplied
should.
to
Oh, I
the
love
end
it.
value. Add to be the
Not
number,
now.
or add or subtract to be the number. Good question.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, here I go, wrapping it up. So my final answer, 7 and 3 are in here, but we're gonna be super careful.
my answer go?
A plus 7, A plus 3 is damn good.
3A.
3A. 3A. 3A.
Is
It's
that-
3A. Let's go.
That's it. Can I see a wiggle of fingers if you got it?
Did you guys do
Hey,
it?
nicely done, you guys. That literally was stuff you
Here,
did not
this
learn
one.
last year.
Fucking
So
people.
get your cameras ready.
I hate the
I don't take pictures.
Wait, let me get it bigger for you. Hold on, give me a hot minute.
Guys, take a screenshot.
Oh, it's gonna be on Google Classroom too, so COVID kids don't.
Those answers aren't right. She's fooling you.
Don't tell them that. Wait, can I turn off the video?
Get their help.
No.
Yeah, bye.
Bye,
Show them, show
COVID.
them, show them.
Oh wait, show them your outfit.
Yeah, we need to show the COVID kids their.
Guys, don't leave yet. Show off.
Look at these premium shoes.
Look at the shoes. Look at the shoes. Fit, nice. Okay, bye, COVID kids.
Bye, COVID kids.